Hi there, and welcome back to Mommy Hates Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy 10-minute homemade cranberry sauce. This is a must-serve for your Thanksgiving dinner or your Christmas dinner, any of those holiday dinners. This is a must-have, and it's so easy to make completely from scratch and skip that canned version. So first, you're going to need a few ingredients. You're going to need 12 ounces of fresh cranberries, a third cup of brown sugar packed, 2/3 cup of granulated sugar, half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, eighth a teaspoon of salt, and then half a cup of fresh orange juice and half a cup of water. So this will be all your ingredients. We're going to use a small saucepan and go ahead and combine the cranberries, brown sugar, granulated sugar, cinnamon, and salt all into that saucepan and just lightly coat those cranberries with your sugar mixture. Once you've got that done, we're going to go ahead and add in our orange juice and water and just stir that up to combine with the already coated cranberries. And then you can go ahead and start warming this up on medium heat. And you're going to just get it to a nice low boil. And as it starts to boil, you can lower it a little bit if you need to, but you're going to simmer this for 10 to 15 minutes until those cranberries start to pop. So as they start to pop, you'll want to just kind of watch over it and continue to stir it up. And then you will have this delicious homemade cranberry sauce. If you let it cool and then store it in a storage container, you can store it in the fridge to chill for 2 hours. Once you've stored it for 2 hours, you'll go ahead and serve this cold. So this is a delicious homemade cranberry sauce, super easy to make. This is a great one for the holidays. Volunteer to bring it because you don't have to tell them how easy it is and they're going to love it. Find this recipe and more all over on mommyhatescooking.com.